Results from applying the 11 Forgotten Laws, Part 1 of 4. Dear friend, in the last video messages, I had introduced you to the new program from Bob Proctor and Mary Mannon Morrissey called the 11 Forgotten Laws. By learning and working with these laws, you will discover the path towards achieving more happiness, health, and prosperity in your life. How do we know? Well, although this is a brand new program from two amazing teachers, they have been teaching this material for many years. In this 4-part series, we'll be hearing the success stories of past students of the 11 Forgotten Laws. Testimonial number 1, Financial Success.
My name is Michael Bloxton. I currently reside in Southern California. Working with Bob Proctor and the laws that he's presenting has literally opened my life and opened my eyes to amazing things. Before I was successful as a young gentleman in the finance and sales industry. Since I met Bob, I have now been able to get myself into a billion-dollar industry and run a billion-dollar company. Bob Proctor and Mary Morrissey have literally changed